Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset App Store PAL 0. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do that. Simply have to do some settings to fix that problem in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. Simply have to go to select the settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just tap on a general and just scroll down and just go to that transfer or reset iPhone. Sorry for that. You just have to select a VPN and device management. Just tap on that and here, just disconnect the VPN from here and simply have to go back and just go to the App Store. Just tap on that and just go to the Apple account settings. And you see there's an option Manage Payments. Just tap on that. And here you see that we just add a payment method here. So you just have to remove all pay methods from here. So before going to change the region in your iPhone, also when we facing a problem that when you're changing the region and they say that you just have to reset balance before going to change the region. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that before going to change the region, so you have to just clear your Manage Payments from here. So after just removing the pay methods from here, you just have to go to the region and just change the region if you want that. If you don't want, just don't do it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do restore. Reset App Store balance to $0. So that's the setting you have to just make sure to do that to reset. Balance on your App Store to $0. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related.